Well, one of those who was unlucky enough to be caught up is Noel Clark, who's a resident of Grand Bahama. We can speak to him live. You survived Hurricane Dorian. You join us live now from Freeport. Given that Dorian was stationary over the Grand Bahamas for quite a period of time, we see the devastation behind you. How on earth did you survive, Noel?
Well, I mean, I was lucky enough, and thank you for interviewing us today. But I was lucky enough to survive. I stayed at a friend's house, which was not harmed at all, but there was a lot of other people that were. This is actually my stepsister's house, and as you can see, they lost everything. They had about approximately 20-foot storm surge. There's no surviving that for this house, or if anybody was in there at the time, they would not have survived.
My goodness, we see the devastation behind you. It looks absolutely horrific. And I know that you now, with your colleagues, those people who did survive Hurricane Dorian, you're trying to get essentials to people who have survived. How are you coping? How are you doing that?
Well, there's a lot of people. Everybody is pitching in. We've formed an association called a foundation called gbdisasterrelief.org, and there's a lot of people that are involved. Everybody's giving selflessly, manpower-wise on the ground. What we need is people to visit the site and donate. And it's a foundation that was created here locally, and it's being run by us locally. So we need support. We need global support.
And what about the government? Are you getting any support from a government that is overwhelmed?
Well, I mean, when you look at it this way, this is a hurricane unlike any other. I've been through over a dozen, and they've never, you can always kind of bounce back quickly. I mean, we had a once in a generation hurricane just 3 years ago, and we never thought we would see another one in our lifetime. And now here we are 3 years later with a storm that had 185-mile-an-hour winds. No small country, and we're a small Commonwealth country. We're a British Commonwealth country, and we cannot, there's no way that we can actually, to cope with this. So the government is overwhelmed, and we need outside support.
Seeing the images, seeing just the destruction behind you, is this something that you can, as you say, bounce back from, or is this something that, well, it just is beyond comprehension?
No, I mean, everybody here is pitching in. Everybody's talking about rebuilding. Yeah, we can bounce back. We just need support. And if the foundation that we created, as well as other foundations that are out there that are reputable, by all means, they're helping. So if we get that help, then we can go ahead and rebuild.
Noel Clark, we wish you and your foundation the best of luck. Thank you so much for speaking to us live from Freeport.
Thank you very much.